Hi, and welcome back to Behind the Wheel. I'm Erin Light, and today at Tom Wood Subaru, we are celebrating Arbor Day and a community event that's focused on helping our planet grow a little greener. I'm joined by Peyton Dorsey. It's great to see you.
Thanks, Erin. This event reflects the Subaru Love Promise, Subaru's commitment to supporting the communities we serve and making a positive impact. One way Subaru brings that promise to life is through the Subaru Loves the Earth initiative, which focuses on environmental stewardship and protecting natural resources.
And that's where Arbor Day comes in.
Exactly. Arbor Day is dedicated to planting and caring for trees. Communities across the country celebrate by planting trees that support cleaner air, healthier ecosystems, and stronger neighborhoods. Here at Tom Wood Subaru, we celebrate Arbor Day with a special event here at the dealership. This is our second year hosting an Arbor Day celebration and community cookout, bringing people together around a shared environmental mission.
And Subaru works with partners who help support initiatives like this across the country.
That's right. Subaru works alongside organizations like the Arbor Day Foundation, helping support tree planting efforts, environmental awareness in communities nationwide. Trees provide incredible environmental benefits. They help absorb carbon dioxide, improve air quality, provide wildlife habitat, and reduce erosion and manage stormwater.
And they also make our neighborhoods healthier and more beautiful places to live.
Exactly. Events like this bring the community together. It's a chance to celebrate Arbor Day, enjoy the cookout, spend time at the dealership, and learn more about how planting trees can benefit our environment. Through the Subaru Loves the Earth initiative, Subaru and its retailers across the country have helped distribute and plant hundreds of thousands of trees nationwide, helping communities grow greener every year.
And if viewers want to learn more about upcoming events or what's happening here at the dealership, where should they go?
Just stop by Tom Wood Subaru or visit tomwoodsubaru.com to learn more about upcoming events and everything happening here at the dealership.
Thank you, Peyton. And thank you for joining us for Behind the Wheel, sponsored by Tom Wood Subaru.